Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1497th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Fed Day is behind us. Let's go to work. Let me just remind you, futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is certainly not suitable for all traders. You've got to know that this is a very risky game. Put your stops in, put them in first. Let's move on. Traders, the hunt remains on for crude oil that is trading on 07/28/2016. These are day trading videos I've been doing from New York City. These shoots that I've been doing where I'm just showing you my screen here. So these are all short-term videos. Short-term for trading 07/28/2016. The hunt remains on in crude. Traders, I showed you this when it crossed. I wrote OMNI averages are converging, and we were all the way up here. And I said, look, well, actually, it was right here when we started looking at this. And I said, look, it just hit the white line, and it crossed. That's time for selling. And boom, boom, boom. We've been going down, down, down since. The hunt remains on once again for trading on Thursday, 7/28. Red OMNI for crude oil. Let's see where we end up. Don't forget to sign up for our free SMS texting. I will send you text alerts when we're trading, getting in and out of markets, and when videos go out and other things of that nature. Sign up for free at livewithoscar.com. All right, so let's go look at a couple of other markets. I think you'll find these charts pretty interesting. Let's go here. Traders, bull flag in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's just go back to work. Why shouldn't it go up? The Fed meeting's out of the way. We have been in bull flags in many markets, although this one's a little bit unorthodox. You'll see there are other bull flags that are quite on the money. Dow Jones Industrial Average has a green OMNI, unlike crude. So we are green OMNI, and let's make that green so we can all see it. So the OMNI will be green for trading in U.S. indices and remains red for trading in crude. But let's look at a couple of other charts. There are some interesting charts here. Look at this NASDAQ daily bar. Not only did this start off with this flag, the green one, and we had this on a video with the little red circle, the whole 9 yards, and we happened to end up long for that, but we've morphed into a monstrous F flag, and it's got room on the upside, that F flag, and that's your NASDAQ. So you've seen the Dow Jones Industrial has the bull flag. The F flag is sitting here in your NASDAQ, but look at this Russell. This is a perfect specimen. Look at this thing. Look at that bull flag in the Russell. And let me tell you right now, one of the Oscarisms that we all know holds to be true is this. A flag is a flag is a flag. The Fed is out of the way. Let's expect the flags to do their jobs and move us higher in our U.S. indices. Then, of course, you've seen what that crude oil chart looked like. Then you've got this. Take a look at this chart. Look at the gold. Gold is back in the buy. It made a wacky formation, very much like this one over here. Now we've got this one over here. The beauty of that formation is it comes down and hits this green, the bottom of this channel or this green support line, and then starts to work its way back up. At least that's what it's done in the past. Why not think that's what's going to happen moving forward? So gold is back. Remember, we have rolled over to December gold. Very important. No longer August. You are in Z December gold as of this video. And we will be looking to buy dips if, in fact, we get one in the gold market. And that is basically what we're going to be playing with this evening. No, we don't want this. Let's go back here. Remember the crude oil, the hunt remains on. So red OMNI in crude, green OMNI in your U.S. indices, and gold, green OMNI as well. Traders, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Come on down, fill out an OmniCamp application if you'd like to join me at OmniCamp. There are 2 seats remaining, so you may want to join. 2 seats remaining at OmniCamp, and that is for this September's OmniCamp. Only 2 seats left. Come to livewithoscar.com. Fill out your OmniCamp application. Come join me in Las Vegas, where I will teach you the art of Oscar's market navigational indicator, the OMNI, for yourselves. Traders, Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. In my opinion, one of the best things you can do to help keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.